In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes on ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access ClickUp's notepad, create and refine a note, and turn that note into a task or a doc when you're ready to take action. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. This takes you to the main site where you can access the app. When you reach the login screen, choose Continue with Google. This uses your Google credentials to sign in securely and saves you from managing a separate password. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one connected to your ClickUp workspace. Click your account to complete the sign-in. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile or name icon. Click it to open your Personal Tools menu. From there, select Notepad. Notepad is your private space inside ClickUp. Great for quick thoughts, meeting takeaways, to-do lists, and anything you want to capture before it becomes a full task or document. Click Create a note to open a new blank page. You'll see a clean editor where you can start typing right away. Begin drafting your thoughts, outline an agenda, or jot down action items. Keep it simple at first. You can always refine as you go. As you type, think about structure. Short headings, line breaks, and clear sections make it easier to scan later. If you're capturing tasks, consider writing each action on its own line so it's easier to convert or copy. When your note has some content, open the More Options menu by clicking the three dots on the note. Choose Rename to give your note a clear, descriptive title. Good titles make your notes more searchable and help you recognize them at a glance. Think Client Kickoff Notes, March, rather than Notes. If your note is actionable, use Convert to Task from that same Options menu. This turns your note into a task so it can be tracked, prioritized, and completed. It's perfect for checklists, follow-ups, or anything with a due date. If your note needs more depth, like a multi-section document, embedded media, or a place to collaborate, choose Convert to Doc. That moves your content into ClickUp Docs, where you can organize it with headings, add links, and share it with your team. Finally, if a note is no longer needed, you can archive it to keep your notepad tidy, or delete it if you're sure you won't need it again. That's it. You've learned how to sign in, open Notepad, create and refine a note, and convert it into a task or a doc when you're ready to move forward.